These are storyboard notebooks, and they're made by Endless, and I really like how easy they are to cart around with me. So I'm going to show you the two different sizes. This one is the storyboard pocket size notebook, and the pocket size notebook comes in a 2-pack. And I'm showing you the one in dot grid layout. And they do have right on here the basic information. It's 48 pages, and they use 68 GSM Tomoe River paper. I love this basic black with the dot grid and the white stitching. I really like it. I think it's classy and it's easy and it's versatile, and like I can just, you know, cart them around, shove them in my bag, my purse, whatever, and they're happy. They're happy wherever they go. When I also liked, I remember when I was reading about the new product, that the stitching has, they've just recently improved it, if I remember right, so that it's not going to come apart. Like, your book is going to stay together, which I really like that. Yeah, I mean, the stitching is just really well done. It's sturdy and strong and staying together. Okay, so that's your pocket size of the Storyboard by Endless. And then they also offer the Storyboard large notebook. And it's also made with the same 68 GSM Tomoe River paper. And I like the dot grid, so I tend to just pick up the dot grid notebooks. So, and you can see here it's a little over 5 by 7. It's also got that great stitching, and it's the white on the black, which I also like. It's also that soft cover that will just, you can open it up and it'll just lay flat, which is great. I forgot to show you that in the small pocket size one, but yeah, you open it up and you can just lay it flat. Okay, so those are 2 options that we've recently added to stock.